In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Figma Desktop App, step by step. By the end, you'll have the latest version of Figma installed and ready to go without losing any of your files or settings. This process simply replaces your current app with the newest build, which is the safest and most reliable way to update. First, make sure any work you have open in Figma is saved. If the desktop app is running, it's a good idea to close it before you begin, so the installer can update everything cleanly. Now, open your web browser and head to the Figma website. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the site and click your profile icon to open the account menu. In that menu, select the option labeled Desktop App. This takes you to Figma's desktop app page and triggers the download for the latest version automatically. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. Keep an eye on the progress bar and wait until the download is fully complete before moving on. When the download finishes, locate the file and click it to open. This launches the installer. From here, follow the prompts on your screen exactly as they appear. You may be asked to confirm that you want to run the installer or to allow your computer to make changes. Approve those prompts so the update can proceed. The installer will handle the rest, replacing your existing Figma app with the current version while keeping your preferences intact. Depending on your computer, the installation may take a moment. Avoid interrupting the process by closing the installer early or putting your device to sleep. Once the installer completes, you'll typically see a confirmation that the installation was successful. In many cases, the app will open automatically. If it doesn't, you can open Figma from your usual applications list. That's all there is to it. Opening the Figma website, clicking your profile, selecting Desktop App, letting the download finish, launching the downloaded file, and following the on-screen prompts is the complete workflow to update. If anything seems to pause for a bit, give it a moment. Larger updates can take longer to install, and remember, installing over your current copy is normal for Figma and won't affect your design files stored in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with the latest Figma features and fixes.